choosing the right web hosting provider and configuration is crucial if you are developing a website, whether it is a WordPress website or anything else. And that is exactly why I am all in towards using an open source software like WordPress, where you can choose where you want to host, as opposed to a software as a service kind of platform like Wix, Weebly, or Squarespace. Of course, if you're just getting started, you need a simple website to tide you over a few months, then those software as a service might be a good way for you to get started. But if you are serious about your business, if you're serious about building a site that's going to withstand you for the long term, then you need an open source solution. Whether it's open source or not doesn't matter, but you need to be able to choose where you host your website. Why? Because the web host can and will potentially be your weakest link when it comes to security and performance of the site. Imagine building a very robust e-commerce system, and you have all the functionality that you need. But because your web host, you chose a web host configuration on a shared server, and basically you choose, you're sharing the same server with thousands of websites which you do not know. And then one of them starts to send out spam using that IP address. Then, before you realize it, your email notifications from the e-commerce platform that you built will get into spam because they are sharing the same IP address. And that is just one example. So it's always important to be able to choose where you host, and it's always important to choose a web host that is reputable. For a start, you can use reputable web hosting providers like SiteGround, like Hostinger. And as you get more advanced, then you can put it on your own VPS using a service like DigitalOcean, like Amazon Web Services. And then you can scale up your operations from there, because those cloud-based services allow you to scale your servers not only from one server, but you can optimize it based on CPU usage, from disk usage, memory usage, and all that. So remember, make sure you know where you're hosting, make sure you choose a web host that is reputable, and be able to configure and choose where to host your web application. See you tomorrow.